Jewelry.
Dialogue 1.
May I help you find something, sir?
I'm looking for a ring.
Tell me a little bit about what you want. We have all shapes, sizes, qualities, and price ranges.
Well, my price range is $3,000 too. $5,000, I'm looking for a marquise cut on a wide band.
You just have a good taste. Let me show you what we have.
I'd like to take a look around, some more.
Okay, take your time, and if you have any other questions, just call me.
Dialogue 2.
Can I be of any assistance to you, madam?
Please show me this pearl necklace.
Yes, here it is.
Cultured pearls.
Yes.
Okay, I like it. They are just beautiful. I'll buy it.
Today is just weekend and all. The jewelry is on sale.
That's great. How much is this one?
$1,000.
Is it tax-free?
Yes, for tourists.
I'll take it.
Then I'll wrap it for you.
Artworks.
Dialogue 1.
Good afternoon, sir. Could I be of any service?
Good afternoon. I'd like to buy a cloison vase.
Yes, sir. Just over there.
I'd like a medium-sized cloison vase with a light blue background.
How do you like this one? The background is pale blue with traditional Chinese paintings of mountains and rivers.
It's gorgeous. How much is it?
150 yuan.
That is too much. Can you come down a little bit?
I can give you a 20% discount.
I will take it if you can take 50 yuans off the price.
All right, you can have it at this price.
This price is reasonable. I will take it. Here is the money.
Thank you.
Dialogue 2.
Can I help you?
I want to get this reproduction of Mona Lisa. How much is it?
The marked price is 700 yuans.
That's too much. I'll take it if you give me a 50% discount.
Well, I can just take 100 yuans off the price.
All right, I will take it. Could you mount it for me?
No problem. I will do that for you. You can come to pick it up tomorrow afternoon.
Okay, be sure to pack it well.
Electronic products.
Dialogue 1.
Good morning. Can I help you?
I want an iPod, please.
What about this one? It's handy and only $60.
Do you have a cheaper one?
Have a look at this one. It's only $50.
How do I switch it on?
Press the play button on top and turn up the volume knob.
I see. It sounds very good. I'll take it.
Dialogue 2.
Hello, could you show me that Canon autofocus camera?
Okay, here you are.
How much does it cost?
$169.
It's too much. Can you reduce the price?
It depends. How many do you want?
I will buy 3 if you can give me a lower price.
Wait a minute. I'll ask our manager.
Okay.
If you buy there, we can reduce the price to 150.
Well, I will take 3. Leatherware.
Dialogue 1.
I'm looking for handbag as a gift.
We just received a shipment of several different styles handbags.
Would you show me the white handbag?
Here you are. You're in luck. This is the only one left. White is popular this season.
Yes, I believe it is, but there is a stain here.
We have something that might interest you.
I'm anything better.
Look at this one. What do you like it?
Wow, I've never seen such a nice handbag. I'll take this one.
Let me ring this up for you at the register.
Dialogue 2.
Are you being attending to, madam?
Well, I'm just looking for something for my husband. What would you recommend?
Would you please come over here? Madam, I'd like to show you. Fancy waistband, they are made of leather of kangaroos and crocodiles.
Oh, they look so elegant. I like the light brown one. May I have a look at it?
Sure, it is the latest fashion, it's simple. Style makes it easier to go with different clothes.
That's it. I think he will be satisfied to have it.
Cosmetics.
Dialogue 1.
What can I do for you, sir?
Yes, it's my first visit here. I need to get my fiancé some Chanel.
Please look at these, all of these from Chanel.
Wow, too many to choose.
I recommend you this.
The smell is nice. Is it a typical Paris perfume?
Yes, this kind of perfume is elegant. Its smell and the fragrance lasts long.
Okay, could you get me the 1.7 ounces bottle?
That will be my pleasure. I'll wrap the perfume up in a gift box for you, too.
Thank you for your consideration.
Dialogue 2.
I'm looking for some blesser. Do you have some in peach rose?
Oh, yes, I have 2 left. Here you are.
This is a beautiful color.
It has been very popular blush this season.
Great, I'll take one.
Do you need anything else?
No, thank you. Women's clothes.
Dialogue 1.
Can I help you, madam?
Yes, I want to buy a dress.
What about this kind of dress in Chanel? It's one of our biggest sellers.
It looks nice. Do you have this in size 6?
Sorry, it's one size that fits all, but I think it fits you.
Let me see. Do you think a cream one will fit me?
Well, the cream one is beautiful indeed, but I think the black one will suit you better.
Really, please get it for me.
Follow me and I'll take you to the fitting room. If you need any help, let me know.
I'll be sure to.
Dialogue 2.
Do you have any gowns for about $50?
Yes, we do have some new arrivals that many interest you.
I'm looking for something special.
Would you like this design in red? It's on sale now.
The gown feels very well. How much is it?
$45.
Is this made of pure silks?
Yes, it is. It's velvet and brilliant.
Is it washable?
Yes, it is, but you have to be careful.
But I don't like the color.
How about the lavender one?
Good. May I try it on?
Certainly.
Men's clothes.
Dialogue 1.
Good morning. I'm looking for a tie.
Our ties are over here next to coats and jackets.
May I see these ties?
Yes, certainly. Here's a nice looking one, a special color of Hawaii.
Yes, it is attractive, but I think it's a little too loud. Let me see that gray and blue one.
This one.
Yes, that's the one. It's very nice. I'll take it.
Okay, do you need packing?
No, it's just for myself.
Dialogue 2.
Can I help you?
I want a leather jacket.
What color did you have in mind?
Khaki green.
What size, please?
Size 40.
Let's see. Yes, here's a size 40. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. This is a little too big. Do you have something smaller?
Sure, try this size 39.
Yes, this fits very well. I'll take it.
It'll be 15% of the price. You've got a good deal.
That is good. Thank you.